Hi there, beautiful people. How have you been doing? Are you okay? I'm great, fabulous, better now that I'm with you. And I'm going to show you a recipe, no, more of an idea, I think, because some of you have been telling me that you have no access to nutritional yeast. So we're going to make something similar, which substituted beautifully. I'm talking about it and I'm salivating because I'm thinking about the taste, and it's actually pretty close to the original thing. And once you add it to your cheeses or your sauces, it does the job. We're going to make nutritional yeast substitute, if I haven't said so. And we start by using chickpeas. You're supposed to wash them and drain them, and they're supposed to be cooked. And then you're going to add them to a baking sheet. And then with a potato masher or a potato ricer or a fork, you smash them. And then we're going to add fermented bean curd. Now, if you don't have the fermented bean curd, you can add MSG. If you are totally against MSG, leave it out. But try to add something that it has a umami flavor, and those two things are actually packed with umamis. And then you're going to put them in the oven. And the third ingredient, it's something that you would never expect to see in this recipe, which is active dry yeast. I know, right? The ones that you buy at the supermarket, that's the one. That is actually the yeast that we use. It's pretty close, it's pretty similar. And then you're going to toast it in a skillet, dry, no oil, okay? And then you're going to be moving it around until it becomes light golden in color. And voila, that's our nutritional yeast. It's a substitute, but it is, like I said before, pretty close to the original. If you want, you can add white miso instead of the fermented bean curd. I forgot to mention that at the beginning, but you can add that. And you can add a little bit of salt if you want to increase even more the umaminess. And this is it. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so. Hit the bell button so you get notified every time I make a video. Check on my merch. I have that very nice mug that you guys keep asking me about, which is the same as my fridge magnet. And it has a discount now because I want you to buy it. And because part of the money is going to be donated to my local animal shelter. And I hope to see you next time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.